Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate AI into Obsidian. So let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what we are going to do is head over here to the bottom left corner where you see this gear icon, so the settings. You will click on that, and then what we are going to do next is we will go to the community plugins here on the left menu. Now click turn on community plugins, turn on community plugins. Okay, so now we need to click here on browse, so community plugins and then browse. And what we are going to do now, so we need to find smart connections. So we will put this here into this search bar like that. In this plugin browser and click install, then we will enable it. So I think this one is good, so let's install it just like that, and now enable. All right, now we have here some guide how we can do that. Okay, so I will close that. Okay, so the next thing what we need to do is we can also search here if we go to the community plugins, and we can also search Copilot. This is also one option. So Copilot, did I do that? Yes, right here, this one. As you can see, you can install it, but then you will also need to enter your API key. Now we also have the third option that you can do is basically just type in here text generator. So what this will happen, you can write prompt directly inside your node. So let's install this one, for example. You will highlight it and trigger the generation shortcut to stream text directly onto the page. So enable. Oh, come on. All right. Also for this one, we will need API key. So yeah, this is pretty much how you can connect AI. So you will need to use API key. So make sure it supports CORS. Right here you have some HTTP version. And right here you will put in your API key, which you get if you are using OpenAI chat. You will get it in settings, so you can check out one of my previous videos where I cover how you can get your API key. And yeah, this is pretty much it. When you will put here API key, you will connect basically Obsidian with this model here, so ChatGPT. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.